Hey, recently I shared several episodes about useful Mac apps, so in this video I'll share 5 useful Mac operations. Let's get started. First, the first one is changing the file name. Are you still right-clicking the file and slowly looking for where to change the file name? Actually, you just need to select the file and press enter to start renaming it. The second one is screen recording and screenshot. The Mac system comes with built-in screen recording and screenshot features. You just need to press Command-Shift-5 to start screen recording, which is very convenient. If you need to record a course, just select to record the sound from the built-in Mac microphone. For screenshots, just press Command-Shift-3, and for partial screenshots, it's Command-Shift-4. Third, setting up the application library. If you want your application library to have smooth animations like this, just right-click on the divider and enable magnification. Fourth, desktop organization. If you're like me and often have a messy desktop after work, just press Command-Shift-0 to organize it with one click, which is very convenient.
Fifth, split screen operation.
When the cursor is placed over the green area in the top left corner, a split screen option will appear. It's very convenient, suitable for those who need to work with multiple documents on a single screen. Alright, that's all for this episode's sharing of some. If you're interested in useful Mac operations, go ahead and give them a try.